Once upon a time, in the land of prickly plants and danger noodles, the sun was so hot not even cherry boozicles were safe, when in rode a stranger with a cocktail shaker in hand, and turned that melted mess into some cocktail magic. Instead of freezing cherry boozicles, she added ice to a cocktail shaker and poured in 3 ounces of cherry juice, 2 ounces of dark rum, a tablespoon of fresh lime juice, a tablespoon of orgeat syrup, and a dash of mole bitters. Then she shook that cocktail to chill, strained it into a chilled cocktail glass, and garnished with a lime slice and a cocktail cherry. And that is how the cherry boozicles melted into the cherry Popsicle Martini, created by MartiniDiva.com. And then the mysterious stranger rode out of town to spread her cocktail magic to all the land. The end.